Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media Hub Wi-Fi setup and installation. Unbox your Virgin Media Hub along with the power cable, Ethernet cable, and coaxial cable, and keep everything ready. Place the hub in a central and open spot in your home for better Wi-Fi coverage, avoiding corners or cupboards. Connect the white coaxial cable to the wall socket and then to the back of the hub, ensuring it is tightly secured. Plug the power cable into a wall socket and then into the hub, then switch on the power supply. Wait 5 to 10 minutes while the hub boots up. The lights will stabilize once it is ready to use. If you prefer a wired connection, connect the yellow Ethernet cable from the hub to your computer or laptop. Check the sticker on the bottom or back of the hub to find your default Wi-Fi network name and password. On your phone, laptop, or TV, go to Wi-Fi settings, select your hub's network, and enter the password to connect. Download and install the Virgin Media Connect app from the App Store or Google Play to manage and optimize your Wi-Fi. Test your connection by browsing online or streaming video, and if you find weak signals in certain rooms, consider using Virgin Media Wi-Fi pods. Thanks for watching.